Your brain is hiding a secret that decides if you'll succeed or fail. Most people never notice it. It's called the reticular activating system or RAS. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Ever buy a new car and suddenly see it everywhere? Or learn a new word and hear it 3 times that day? That's your RAS, a tiny filter in your brainstem, deciding what gets through to your conscious mind. And here's what most people don't realize: you can program it. The people who seem unstoppable, they've trained their RAS to spot opportunities, not obstacles. Neuroscientist Dr. Anil Seth studies perception and unconsciousness, and your brain receives 11 million bits of information per second, but you only consciously process about 40. Your RAS decides which 40, and it decides based on what you let tell it matters. Two people enter the same room, one sees problems, obstacles, what's missing. The other sees resource, opportunities, connections. Same room, same information, completely different experience. It's not optimism, it's programming. Here's where this gets powerful. If you train your RAS, you start noticing what you need to succeed. It's like switching your brain from grayscale to a high definition color. So how do you reprogram your RAS? 3 steps. Step 1. Prime it each morning. Before checking your phone, ask one specific question. What opportunity am I looking for today? Too vague. Your brain ignores it. Be specific. I'm looking for one person who needs help with public speaking. Your RAS knows exactly what to filter for. Step 2. Evidence collection. Each evening, write 3 signs that the opportunity exists. Not what you achieved, but what you noticed. Within 2 weeks, your brain starts seeing what you want. Step 3. Question swap. When something goes wrong, stop asking, why does this always happen to me? Instead ask, what can I learn here? Your RAS begins to filter for solutions, not problems. Most people do this wrong and it blocks opportunities. Follow these 3 steps and suddenly doors you never saw open. Your RAS is running right now. The question is, what are you programming it to see? Obstacles or opportunities? Start tomorrow. Prime it, collect evidence, ask better questions. And I want to hear from you. What opportunity are you programming your RAS to find? Drop it in the comments. Let's see how high your brain can take you.